Hello everyone. If you wanted to know how you can play GTA 3 on your computer, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to download and play GTA 3 on your computer or your laptop easily. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up your web browser and you're going to search for GTA 3 Rockstar. You're going to click onto this first link from rockstargames.com and then you're going to click here onto your account and you're going to log in with your account. And after that, you're going to click here onto buy now right under GTA 3. And then you're going to click on buy now here. And here you're going to put in your credit card details. So you're going to put in your card number, your expiration date along with your security code. After that, you're going to click on pay now here. And then you'll successfully have the game on your account. And then you can go ahead and download and play GTA 3 on your computer or your laptop. So that's how it's done. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.